Okay, this boiler is definitely taking a piss. Fellas, we got a complaint that the boiler's taking a piss. I don't know what that means, so we're about to find out. Oh. Okay, this boiler is definitely taking a piss. Oh. Oh, gotcha. Oh, would you look at that? Alright, should be a pretty easy install. I don't think we have to take this. I think it's just this nipple right here. Oh, come on. First thing, let's see. Got any pressure? Alright, I don't think we got pressure. Let's take this off. You know what? I don't think it has pressure, but just in case. Nah, no pressure. Spin this girl off. Damn, that's actually clogged. Jesus. Oof. Alright, we got that all cleaned up. Set this aside. On to the next part. Look at the threads, they're all eaten. This will make sure it's clear. Yeah, I knew it was half-inch. Motherfucker. Alright, let's go get a half-inch nipple instead. Alright, we got it. Let's go put it in. Alright, so as you can see, as we're tightening this, it's also tightening the nipple we just put in. Okay, should be good. Alright, and that, my friends, is how you change it in 3 seconds. Alright, no more leak. Looks brand new. Last thing we're going to do, double check, make sure nothing leaks. And then we're out of here.